Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 2nd September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Coconut Day is observed every year on. Answer is 2nd September. World Coconut Day is celebrated on 2nd September every year in major coconut-producing countries, including India. The theme for World Coconut Day 2024 is Coconut for a Circular Economy, Building Partnership for Maximum Value. The first World Coconut Day was celebrated on 2nd September 2009 by the Asia Pacific Coconut Community, APCC. Question number 2. Who has become the first Indian woman to win 2 Paralympic gold medals? Answer is Avni Lekhra. Avni Lekhra, a 22-year-old Indian athlete, made history by becoming the first Indian woman to secure 2 Paralympic gold medals. She achieved this remarkable feat by winning the women's 10-meter air rifle sh1 event, surpassing her own record of 249.6 set in the Tokyo Paralympics. Avni is the second Indian after javelin thrower Devendra Jhajria to win 2 gold medals at the Games. Question number 3. Who is set to inaugurate India's first pickleball world ranking tournament in January 2025? Answer is Andre Agassi. 8-time Grand Slam champion and former world number 1 tennis player, Andre Agassi, is set to inaugurate India's first pickleball world ranking tournament in New Delhi in January 2025. This event, organized by the Indian Pickleball Association, will include a PWR 700 tournament and a Battle of the League, Stage 1. The tournament aims to introduce pickleball to Indian fans and features significant prize money, marking a significant milestone in India's sports landscape. Question number 4. India's largest aero launch has been inaugurated in which airport? Answer is Cochin Airport. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has inaugurated 0484 Aero Launch at Cochin Airport on 1st September 2024. Touted as India's largest, the Aero Launch is located at Terminal 2 of the airport. It is spread over 50,000 square feet with 37 rooms, 4 suites, 3 boardrooms, and 2 conference halls. Question number 5. Who has launched Project Naman to support veterans? Answer is Indian Army. The Indian Army has launched the first phase of Project Naman, which is designed to provide dedicated support and services to defense pensioners, veterans, and their families. The project is based on the Sparsh digital pension system, simplifying pension processes for defense personnel. In the first phase of Project Naman, 14 common services centers have been established at key locations across India. Question number 6. Recently, Cyclone Asna was formed over the coast in. Answer is Gujarat. Cyclone Asna has formed over the Kutch coast in Gujarat and adjoining areas of Pakistan, the India Meteorological Department said on 30th August. Cyclone Asna has brought heavy rainfall to different places in Gujarat. This is the first cyclonic storm in the Arabian Sea in August since 1976. The name Asna, which means the one to be acknowledged or praised, has been given by Pakistan. Question number 7. Amir Mahato has become first transgender community health officer of which state? Answer is Jharkhand. Amir Mahato has been appointed as the first transgender community health officer of Jharkhand. Amir Mahato, who completed her nursing training in Jharkhand's Sambalpur village, was among the 365 candidates appointed under the National Health Mission. With this, Jharkhand has become one of the few states in India, including Bihar, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal, to appoint a transgender in the governmental departments. Question number 8. Recently, India and which country have started Smart Laboratory on Clean Rivers (SLCR) project? Answer is Denmark. The Environmental Strategic Partnership between India and Denmark has launched a Smart Laboratory on Clean Rivers (SLCR) with initial funding of 16.8 crore rupees from the Jal Shakti Ministry and an additional 5 crore rupees from Denmark. This collaboration aims to revitalize the Varuna River in Varanasi, using advanced technologies and a comprehensive river management plan over a 2 to 3 years period. Question number 9. Who will lead in the 8th Asian Hockey Champions Trophy? Answer is Harmanpreet Singh. Hockey India named an 18-member hockey team for the prestigious 8th Asian Champions Trophy, scheduled to begin in Hulunbuir city of China from 8th to 17th September. India will be led by ace drag flicker Harmanpreet Singh and will be supported by experienced midfielder Vivek Sagar Prasad as the vice-captain. India men is the defending champion of the Asian Champions Trophy and won the 7th edition held in Chennai in 2023. Question number 10. National Green Tribunal (NGT) has imposed 1,000 crore rupees fine on which state for failure in waste management? Answer is Punjab. The National Green Tribunal (NGT) has imposed a penalty of 1,000 crore rupees on the Punjab government for failing to manage the state's solid and liquid waste despite repeated reminders. Punjab has accumulated 5.387 million tons of old waste, and a fine of 0.01 rupees per kilogram per day has been imposed. The NGT underlined that Solid Waste Management Rules 2016 and Section 15 of the Environment Protection Act 1986 apply in this case. Question number 11. Recently, which state government has announced to give scholarship to all the students of Sanskrit schools? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, the Uttar Pradesh government has decided to give scholarships to all students studying in over 500 Sanskrit schools in the state. The state also removed the condition that their family income should be less than 50,000 rupees annually. Additionally, the scholarship amounts for students in classes 9 to 12 have been increased, now ranging from 50 rupees to 200 rupees per month. Question number 12. Which country's fast bowler, Shannon Gabriel, retired from international cricket? Answer is West Indies. West Indies fast bowler, Shannon Gabriel, has retired from international cricket, ending a career that began in 2012. The 36-year-old played 59 tests, 25 ODIs, and 2 T20Is, picking up a total of 202 wickets. Gabriel made his test match debut for West Indies in May 2012 against England at Lord's. He made his one-day international ODI debut on 21 June 2016 against Australia. Question number 13. Amrit Lal Meena has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of which state? Answer is Bihar. Bihar government has appointed 1989 batch IS officer Amrit Lal Meena as new Chief Secretary of the state. He was serving as the Coal Secretary in the Government of India from October 2022. Meena is set to replace Brijesh Mehrotra, the current Chief Secretary of Bihar. Question number 14. Which country's tourism board has won the Pata Gold Award for sustainable tourism? Answer is Nepal. Nepal Tourism Board has received the Pacific Asia Travel Association Pata Gold Award in Sustainable Tourism for Livelihood Recovery Project STLRP. This is the third time Nepal Tourism Board has received a Pata Award in community-based tourism. NTB's STLRP previously won the Pata Gold Award in 2022 and 2023. Question number 15. Which Indian state's tourism department has won the Pata Gold Award 2024 in digital marketing? Answer is Kerala. Kerala Tourism of India has won the prestigious Pacific Asia Travel Association Pata Gold Award 2024 in the digital marketing category. Kerala's Department of Tourism online contest of Holiday Heist was a winning entry in this category. The Holiday Heist campaign was a month-long groundbreaking initiative launched by Kerala Tourism in July 2023. The award was presented at a grand function in Bangkok. Question number 16. Who became first Indian woman in para archery to qualify for Paralympics round of 16? Answer is Sheetal Devi. Sheetal Devi, an Indian archer born with Phocomelia syndrome, made history by becoming the first Indian woman in para archery to qualify for the Paralympics round of 16. Devi set a world record with a score of 703 points in the women's open compound qualification at the Paris Paralympics 2024, surpassing her previous personal best. Question number 17. What is the name of India's first space tourist? Answer is Gopichand Thotkura. India's first civilian space tourist, Gopichand Thotkura, received a warm welcome upon his return to Delhi on 26 August 2024. Thotkura made history by joining Blue Origin-founded Blue Origin's New Shepard 25 mission, becoming the second Indian citizen to travel to space after Rakesh Sharma's 1984 mission. Their journey lasted about 10 minutes, reaching a maximum altitude of 105 kilometers. Question number 18. Who has assumed command of the Indian Naval Academy, INA? Answer is C.R. Praveen Nair. Vice Admiral C.R. Praveen Nair, a surface warfare specialist in communications and electronic warfare, took over the command of the Indian Naval Academy. He succeeds Vice Admiral Vineet Makati. Vice Admiral Praveen Nair was commissioned into the Indian Navy in 1991. He was also the Fleet Operations Officer of the Eastern Fleet from 2018 to 2019. Question number 19. Which state introduced the Safe Travel Facility for Women, available via Dial 112? Answer is Bihar. Bihar Police introduced the Safe Travel Facility for Women, launching on 15 September to enhance safety across the state. Initially available in 6 districts, this 24/7 service allows women to call Dial 112 for secure transportation, with police monitoring their journey to ensure they reach their destinations safely. Question number 20. Which sports person has been honored with Youth Icons of India by FICCI? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. The Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, recently honored Bollywood actor Ayushmann Khurrana and Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra as the Youth Icons of India. This prestigious recognition, awarded during the FICCI Frames 2024 event, celebrates their remarkable achievements and contributions to their respective fields, which inspire and motivate the younger generation. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.